Hello and welcome. I'm Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. On today's episode, we're making Szechuan chicken, guys. This recipe is literally 30 minutes and it is full of flavor. It is spicy, there's a hint of sweetness, and the chicken is super juicy. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. First, we're going to start by slicing our bell pepper. Next, chop your onion into chunks. Mince your garlic. For this recipe, I am using skinless, boneless chicken thighs, and we are going to cut them into bite-sized pieces and removing the extra fat. Season with soy sauce, white pepper, and rice vinegar, onion powder, garlic powder, After adding in all your spices, add your cornstarch. This is how it's looking after adding in the cornstarch. Now, over medium heat in a large skillet, add your oil. Now that our oil is nice and hot, add your chicken, and we are going to cook them until they are nice and brown. While our chicken is cooking, we're going to make the sauce for our stir fry. Add your soy sauce, rice vinegar, gochujang paste, add your sugar and sesame seed oil. Go ahead and give that a mix. After the sugar has dissolved, add your cornstarch. By adding the cornstarch, it will make the sauce a bit thicker when we add it to our stir fry. After 5 minutes, go ahead and remove your chicken and place them on a platter. After 3 minutes, add your chili peppers. Add your Szechuan peppers. Add your garlic and your minced ginger. Give that a mix. Continue sauteing for about a minute. Add your sauce. We are going to allow this to thicken before adding in our meat. Now that it has thickened, add your meat back to the pot. Chop your green onions. Give that a mix. And allow this to simmer for about 2 minutes, and this should take us to the end of our recipe. Hello guys, so after 30 minutes, my Szechuan chicken is ready. Take a look. Doesn't this look amazing? My mouth is watery. I'm going to serve this with some fried rice, guys. You can serve this with noodles, some steamed rice, whatever your heart desire. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.